Welcome to Urbanyx Court, where vision is steadily transforming into reality. I'm delighted to share that the structural framework of the project has reached a significant milestone. The structure is taking its final shape. Interior wall plastering is now 100% complete, giving every space a smooth, refined finish. On the outside, the building is looking elegant with 95% of exterior plastering finished. Work on the corridors has also begun, with 30% plastering completed, setting the tone for stylish common areas. Now let's step inside, where spaces are evolving into homes. Flooring works have been completed across Series 1 to 4. Series 6 and 7 are at 95% completion, while Series 8 stands at 80%. Putty application and wall finishing in Series 2, 3 and 4 are fully completed. Series 5 is progressing steadily at 70%. Door frames in Series 2 through 5 are fully installed, while Series 6 has achieved 75% completion. Electrical wiring is fully completed across Series 2 to 5. External plumbing works are progressing efficiently at 60%. The overhead tank installation is 100% complete. Terrace screeding has also been finalized to ensure optimal drainage and enhanced structural protection. Urbanyx Court is progressing with precision, commitment, and uncompromising quality. Every milestone brings us closer to delivering thoughtfully crafted homes. Thank you for your continued trust.